Are you looking for new business opportunities outside the conventional? In this video, we'll explore 12 unusual businesses that can make you money. Many times, the most original and profitable ideas are found in specific niches that do not receive the attention they deserve. And today we are going to discover some ideas that could inspire you to embark on your own path to financial success. Let's get started. 1. Dog sitting business. The dog walking business has seen significant growth in recent years due to the increase in demand for pet sitting services and can be an excellent opportunity for animal-loving entrepreneurs. In densely populated urban areas, the demand for dog walkers is high, especially among busy professionals who do not have enough time to walk their pets. To get started, it is essential to establish a strong reputation and build a customer base. Offering quality services, being reliable, and setting competitive rates can help attract and retain clients. There are different apps that help connect clients with caregivers. An advantage of this business is the flexibility in work schedules. Dog walkers can set their own schedule and decide how many dogs they will care for each day. It is important to consider logistics, such as transporting the dogs. In addition to dog walking, additional services such as in-home pet sitting during vacations, weekends, or basic training can generate additional income. 2. Production and sale of artisanal products. Artisanal products have seen a resurgence in popularity due to the growing interest in unique and handmade items. This business offers an opportunity for creative entrepreneurs, as consumers seek unique and personalized products that reflect authenticity and quality. To get started, it is essential to develop specific artistic skills and find a suitable market niche. This could include the manufacturing of jewelry, leather goods, textile products, or household items. Online platforms like Etsy and Shopify offer opportunities to sell handmade products globally. Creating a well-designed online store and participating in local craft fairs can help promote and sell products. The key to success in this business is maintaining high-quality standards and offering unique products that stand out in the market. In addition to direct-to-consumer sales, artisan products can also be sold to retail stores or used as corporate gifts, expanding income opportunities. 3. Feng Shui consulting services. Feng Shui is an ancient Chinese practice that focuses on harmonizing energies in the environment to improve quality of life and promote prosperity. Feng Shui consulting services are experiencing an increase in demand due to growing interest in harmonious interior design. Feng Shui focuses on balancing positive, qi, and negative, sha energies in the physical environment, such as homes and workplaces. Feng Shui consultants help identify energy problems and propose solutions to improve flow and harmony. To become a Feng Shui consultant, it is important to obtain knowledge and certifications in this practice. Additionally, it is essential to develop communication and customer relationship skills to understand their needs and offer personalized recommendations. Feng Shui consulting services appeal to homeowners, business owners, interior designers, and those interested in improving their well-being and prosperity through environmental design. Consultants may charge fees for individual consulting services, interior design advice, and Feng Shui workshops and training courses. 4. Professional organization business. The professional organizing business has emerged as a response to the growing need for simplification and order in modern life. Professional organizers help individuals and businesses optimize their spaces and processes to improve efficiency and reduce stress. In an increasingly busy world full of distractions, the ability to stay organized is critical to personal and professional success. Professional organizing services address this need by providing practical and effective solutions. Professional organizers can focus on a variety of areas, such as home organization, document management, workspace optimization, and move planning. To start this business, it is essential to have strong organizational skills as well as a customer-oriented approach. Potential clients include busy professionals, seniors, busy families, business owners, and anyone looking to improve their productivity and well-being through organization. Professional organizers may charge by the hour or by the project, depending on the complexity and scope of the work. They may also offer additional services, such as time management consulting or digital organization advice. 5. Sale of exotic plants. This is an emerging business that has gained popularity due to the growing interest in urban gardening and interior decoration with unique and striking greenery. With increasing interest in sustainability and wellness, more people are incorporating plants into their indoor and outdoor spaces. Exotic, rare, and unique-looking plants are especially sought after by gardening enthusiasts. To get started, it is important to gain knowledge about different plant species and their care requirements. You can grow your own plants or partner with specialized suppliers. Potential customers include gardening enthusiasts, interior decorators, restaurants, offices, and retail stores looking to differentiate themselves with unique greenery. Selling online through a website or e-commerce platform can reach a wider audience. Additionally, participating in garden shows and local markets can help promote and sell plants. It is important to ensure that you comply with import and export regulations if you are selling exotic plants of international origin. In addition to selling plants, you can offer garden design and landscaping consulting services to expand your business. 6. Production of online educational content. These have seen a significant boom with the growth of distance education and online learning. This business offers opportunities for entrepreneurs who want to share knowledge and skills through digital platforms. With the expansion of virtual education, there is a high demand for quality educational content on various topics. To get started, it is essential to identify a specific niche and develop relevant and attractive materials. You can create courses, tutorials, ebooks, webinars, and other resources. Use online learning platforms such as Udemy, Teachable, Coursera, or YouTube to reach a global audience. You can also create your own website or blog to share educational content. Entrepreneurs can make money by directly selling courses or using subscription models. Additionally, you can monetize your content through sponsorships or affiliate programs. Before continuing, if you find this information useful, leave a like and subscribe so you can continue enjoying more content like this. 7. Materials recycling business. This business is a business opportunity that contributes to caring for the environment while generating income. It involves collecting, processing, and selling recyclable materials for reuse. Today, environmental awareness is on the rise and companies and consumers are looking for ways to reduce their ecological footprint. Recycling materials helps conserve natural resources and reduce pollution. Common materials that can be recycled include paper, plastic, glass, metal, textiles, and electronics. Each of these materials has a specific market and recycling opportunities. It is important to research the types of recyclable materials most in demand in your area and establish relationships with suppliers and buyers. You will also need proper equipment and facilities to process the materials. You can make money by selling recycled materials directly to recycling companies or by transforming them into new products and selling them on the market. Make sure you comply with all local regulations and obtain the necessary licenses to operate a recycling business. 8. Healthy and gluten-free pastry business. It's about offering a delicious and nutritious alternative for those looking to enjoy desserts without compromising their health or dietary restrictions. With increasing awareness of the importance of a balanced diet, there is a growing demand for dessert options that are nutritious and suitable for various diets. This business focuses on creating cakes, muffins, cookies, and other desserts using healthy ingredients and gluten-free alternatives, such as gluten-free almond, coconut, or oat flours. Healthy cakes are made with natural and nutritious ingredients, such as fresh fruits, natural sweeteners, and healthy fats. Clients include people with food intolerances, gluten allergies, or those who simply want to adopt a healthier lifestyle without giving up culinary pleasures. Use digital marketing strategies, participate in local markets or healthy food events, and offer free samples to publicize your products and generate interest. You can collaborate with health food stores, health cafes, or gyms to expand your reach and reach more customers interested in healthy dessert options. Experiment with new recipes, flavors, and presentations to differentiate yourself in the market and offer irresistible options for all tastes and dietary needs. 9. Eco-friendly event organization services. These services are an innovative option in the events industry that focuses on minimizing the environmental impact of meetings and celebrations. With the increase in environmental awareness, companies and individuals are looking for sustainable alternatives to organize events that are respectful of the environment. The organizers of these events specialize in reducing the consumption of disposable plastics, minimizing waste generation, and using renewable materials and resources. These services can include the planning and execution of corporate events, weddings, conferences, and festivals that follow sustainability principles. It is necessary to find suppliers that offer eco-sustainable options, such as organic catering, recyclable decorations, and efficient transportation. In addition to hosting events, these services educate clients about sustainable practices and promote an eco-friendly lifestyle. This differentiated approach allows event organizers to stand out in a competitive market and attract clients committed to sustainability. As concerns about climate change and sustainability grow, these services have significant potential to expand and thrive. 10. Therapy and wellness services. These services focus on the comprehensive well-being of individuals, addressing physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual aspects to promote health and balance. These types of services are based on the idea that the body and mind are interconnected, and overall well-being depends on multiple factors. They include alternative therapies such as acupuncture, aromatherapy, yoga, meditation, therapeutic massages, and nutritional consulting. With the increased stress and worries of modern life, more people are seeking alternative therapies to improve their quality of life. It is important to obtain training and certification in the techniques and therapies offered. Credibility and trust are essential in this sector. Potential clients include people interested in holistic wellness, as well as those seeking complementary treatments to traditional medicine. Collaborations can also be made with health professionals, spas, gyms, and wellness centers to expand the reach and offer integrated services. 11. Create a cafe with cats. A cat cafe is an establishment where customers can enjoy drinks and food while interacting with cats that roam freely around the place. The idea is to create a welcoming and relaxing environment for animal lovers, providing a unique and comforting experience. Find a space that is large and safe enough to accommodate cats and clients. It should have separate areas for food preparation and interaction areas with cats. Additionally, try to create an interior design that is comfortable and welcoming for both cats and clients. Consider elements such as comfortable furniture, cat play areas, and quiet areas where cats can rest. To obtain animals, you can work with local shelters to adopt cats that are looking for a home. Be sure to select cats that are friendly, sociable, and adapt well to a public environment. It is also important to design a menu that includes a variety of coffee drinks, tea, snacks, and desserts. Lastly, it is important to maintain a high standard of cleanliness to ensure a healthy environment for both cats and clients. 12. Energy efficiency advisory services. They are a business opportunity that focuses on helping individuals and companies reduce their energy consumption and adopt more sustainable practices. With rising energy costs and concerns about climate change, energy efficiency has become a priority for many organizations and homes. The services offered include energy consumption assessments, identification of areas for improvement, implementation of efficient technologies, such as LED lighting, efficient heating and cooling systems, and development of energy management strategies. Energy efficiency advisory services not only help reduce operating costs, but also contribute to the reduction of carbon emissions and the more sustainable use of natural resources. It is essential to have specialized training in energy efficiency and obtain recognized certifications in the field to guarantee the quality and credibility of the service. Companies, public institutions, homeowners, and real estate developers are potential clients of energy efficiency advisory services. The transition towards renewable energy sources and the search for innovative solutions for energy efficiency have driven demand for these services. And there you have it, friends. These were our 12 unusual business ideas that are not only fascinating, but can also be very lucrative. Which of these ideas did you find most interesting? Leave us your comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more free content. I'll see you in the next video.